welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you to all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram story and you will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. So let's talk about the products. The first product I have here is Ouai Super Dry Shampoo. Alright. Here it is. This dry shampoo is sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. It also is for all hair types, whether you're curly hair, straight hair, thick hair, light hair. It also revives body and allows it to, have some super bounce and volume into it. Very nice. This is a spray aerosol and it is color safe for you. The next dry shampoo that you guys vote for is called the Unwash Dry Cleanser. It refreshes hair, absorbs excess oil. It's residue free. It's also made from volcanic ash, which is supposed to help absorb the oil. Along with the volcanic ash, it has pentanol and it has plant extracts and it has vitamin E. All you do is shake it up and you're good to go. And it is also sulfate free, paraben free, and cruelty free as well. The Unwash is lightweight, so you can spray it at the roots to ends. So the results from this Saturday here was 100% Unwash dry shampoo won the vote. Thank you again for everyone who voted. Remember to comment below and tell me why you like the Ouai dry shampoo or the Unwash dry shampoo, and you could be featured in my next video. Last week we had somebody comment in my video and it was Jade Yvonne. She wrote, "I never tried Anastasia's primer, but Urban Decay's is great." I agree with you, Jade. Thank you again for commenting. See you guys again next week. Keep loving makeup and keep rocking.